And that's the very latest in the world of sports. Back to stories making headlines locally. In the health sector, where the Union of Clinical Officers in the country has threatened to down tools starting midnight, with a strike set to affect all public and referral hospitals. This comes after the Ministry of Health and the Council of Governors failed to address their grievances and honor promises made following the suspension of their strike for 21 days on January 22nd, 2025. In addition, the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union has threatened to paralyze health services in Kericho County starting 3rd March. Noel Nabiswa with more.
Medical services across public hospitals may face major disruptions starting tomorrow as clinical officers begin their planned strike, citing the government's failure to implement their demands.
We have to stay away from our working places, and it's just bad because with the current challenges that Kenyans are facing to access health services, and then on top of that, the workers now completely withdraw from the working places. And it's not our wish that we pull out, but because we have been pushed to the corner, then we do not have a choice, and we are really sorry that this has to happen.
UKO Secretary General George Gibore has pointed fingers at the Council of Governors for not fulfilling their promises, despite a notice sent on February 14th asking for the implementation of their collective bargaining agreement.
There is lack of commitment toward absorbing universal health coverage staff into permanent and pensionable terms, as agreed in our return to work formula dated 8th of July 2024. There is a non-dissemination of approved career progression or guideline for clinical officers to the county governments.
Elsewhere, the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union has issued a 14-day strike to the county government of Kericho over the failure to implement the agreed-upon scheme of service, collective bargaining agreement, and return to work formula, which was signed on 4th May 2023.
As doctors, Kericho County does not have a comprehensive medical cover for its doctors, despite the fact that they provide the service of being healthcare workers and doctors. So actually they are providing a service that themselves they cannot afford. So for that reason, we'll not have any reason, if that particular matter will not have been resolved, we'll not have any reason to be at work after the elapse of 14 days.
Dr. Stephen Omondi has warned that if the county government does not meet their demands, medical services across the entire county will be shut starting from March 3rd. Noel Nabiswa for KTN.
All right, thanks for that report, Noel.